body cells, so it won't come out of the body. And next, about fats and proteins, glucose too enters into our body. It will give energy to the body organs, and it will be able to functionate the organs, and it has the capacity to allow the cells to grow. It helps in the formation of the group of cells, and right from the group of cells to tissues to the organs. Okay. So here, which substances should enter the cell? Why? So oxygen, glucose, and proteins, fats, minerals will allow our cells to grow. Due to this reason, the cells must contain these substances, and it should not leave our cells. Okay. Next, CO2 should come out of the cell. Okay. Next, let me know about the substances required by the cell. Solids like glucose, liquid like water, and gases like oxygen should enter into our cell, and those gases and food materials should give strength to the cell. Okay, next, preparing solutions. So here he is preparing sugar solution. Okay, so he took some amount of sugar and water. For suppose he took 2 tablespoons of sugar, 100 ml of water to prepare sugar solution. Okay. To prepare sugar solution, he took 2 tablespoons of sugar and 100 ml of water. Okay, by this he dissolved the solute by using proper solvent. Okay, next, preparation of saturated solution. Okay, saturated solution in the sense here we took 2 tablespoons of sugars in a 100 ml of water. This is a beaker having the capacity of 150 milliliters of water. So here just a minute. Solute onto the water, and the entire part of the solute has been dissolved in this water. Only very little amount of crystals are present in the beaker. So such a solution is known as saturated solution. Okay. Here is an activity about the concentration of the solutions. Okay. He took 300 ml of beakers. He took water in it. He put a 1/2 tablespoon of sugar to 100 ml of water. He also made a lab activity. He filled it with water. Okay. He put a dry resin. So dry grape resin or a kismis. Okay. So he just leave the resin for about 1 to 4 months. What will happen? It will absorb water and it increase the size. Okay. Next. He also put another kismis on the sugar solution. It does not bulge its size. That means it does not absorb the sugar solution. So here we have to know that only this plasma membrane will allow some gases into the body to make the cells to be active. Okay. Next one was about osmosis. Okay, here he took one raw potato and one boiled potato and 2 beakers, and he cutted the raw potato and boiled potato, peeled off the skins, cut cube-shaped cups from them as shown in the figure, and could make some other shapes as well as. Okay, here he put a sugar solution in one of the potato and he kept water on one potato. He cut it into a square shape. On that square shape he filled one potato with water and one with sugar solution, and he placed it in a beaker containing one beaker containing tap water and one beaker containing sugar solution. Okay, tap water containing beaker has been placed by the sugar solution containing potato, and sugar solution containing beaker has been placed with potato containing tap water. Here the potato which containing sugar solution has absorbed water from the beaker, and the potato which is containing sugar solution is not tap water containing beaker which was filled with sugar solution has not allowed any kind of water into its body. Okay, due to the plasma membrane. Okay, so here through the osmosis process water moves towards sugar solution. So already we have know that about osmosis. Lower concentration ions to higher concentration ions can be transferred throughout the body. So this tap water moves along with the sugar solution. So that is known as osmosis. Here he also conducted a lab activity. He made it with rice powder. Okay, he dissolved rice powder into the water and he filtered it by using a filter paper. Okay. The amount which has dissolved in the water has been, the amount of rice powder which was dissolved in the water has left the filter paper. The amount of rice powder which does not dissolve in the water remains same into the filter paper. Okay. So here what did the paper or cloth allowed to pass through? It allowed the water. Okay, it does not allow the rice powder because it allows water to pass through it. It allows certain materials dissolved in the water to pass through. It will not allow certain materials to pass through it. As I told, as we know that plasma membrane will allow only some substances which are required to the cell. It does not allow some materials which are not required by the body organs. Okay, allowing only certain materials to pass through is called permeability. So in here permeability are of 4 types. Okay. Okay, permeability means it will allow substances throughout the membrane. Okay, impermeable. If the substances does not pass through the material is known as impermeable. Selectively permeable engines. Only the selective solvents or solutes are allowed through the membrane, and semi-permeable, it allows only some solutes and solvents through the membrane. Okay, here